Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable label design in Canva, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable label design in Canva, start by logging into your Canva account. If you don't have an account, create one for free. Once logged in, navigate to the Canva homepage. In the search bar at the top, type labels. Press the enter key or click the search icon. You will see a variety of label templates available. Browse through the templates to find one that suits your needs. Click on the template to open it in the design editor. On the left side, you will see the template options and design elements. Choose the elements you want to customize or change. To edit text, click on the text box and a cursor will appear. Type in your desired text to replace the placeholder content. Use the toolbar at the top to change the font, size, and color of the text. If you want to add images or logos, click on the Uploads tab on the left. Upload an image from your device if needed. Drag and drop your image into the design where you want it. Adjust the size and position of the image as necessary. You can also use Canva's built-in graphics and icons for additional design elements. Explore the Elements tab for shapes and decorative features. Once you have customized your label, review your design for any final adjustments. Check the dimensions to ensure it fits your label printing specifications. When satisfied with your design, click the Download button at the top right. Choose your preferred file format for saving your label. After downloading, your label design is ready for printing or sharing. Now you can easily create and enable label designs in Canva. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.